Accepting imagination as the only true reality can be challenging, but accepting this can also accelerate your manifestation process and dissolve your worries and validation-seeking tendencies. In this video, I will dive into the concept that imagination is the one true reality and how understanding this concept will help you truly master manifesting and the law of assumption. Be sure to watch to the end of this video so you don't miss any important details, which will help you more easily become a master of the law of assumption. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. To embrace this concept that imagination is the true reality, it's helpful to reflect on past experiences that demonstrate the power of your imagination and manifestation. Consider times that you thought about someone you hadn't talked to in years, and they suddenly appeared in your reality, whether through a text message, social media post, or in-person meeting. Or when you sang a song in your head and it played on the radio moments later. Or when you assumed a new teacher or colleague would be rude, and they fulfilled that expectation. All of these instances illustrate the power of your imagination in shaping your reality. They demonstrate that nothing you experience in the 3D world was present until it was first imagined and felt to some degree. When you focus your attention on something, energy flows towards it, and it can manifest in your reality. You can create the life you desire by directing your thoughts and imagination towards what you want to experience. It's important to take note that manifestation isn't about wishful thinking or simply hoping for something to happen. It is not a magic pill. Instead, it requires a deep sense of belief and feeling that what you desire is already present in your reality. When you truly embody this mindset, your desires will come into fruition. So if you want to accept that imagination is the only true reality, start by reflecting on your past experiences that demonstrate the power of your thoughts and imagination. Recognize that your assumptions and beliefs about the world play a significant role in shaping your experiences. Then focus your attention and energy on what you want to manifest and believe that it's already present in your reality. The world is a projection of what exists inside your imagination. This suggests that imagination is the only reality, as everything you have and the attitudes people have towards you are a result of your imagination. Every physical object or situation was once imagined and felt, and it materialized in your physical reality because the physical reality reflects everything that is imagined and felt. If you seek validation from others, there is a part of you that does not feel it within yourself. Instead, claim it in your imagination that you already are validated and feel how it would feel if it were true. This will manifest externally. Now, it's crucial to understand that you don't need to convince yourself of something that you don't already have. Your desires already exist within your imagination. You don't have to go outside of yourself to obtain them. You get the feeling of already possessing them from within yourself. You already have the car, the house, the marriage, and everything else you desire because they are inherent in your imagination. Many people fail to manifest their desires because they misunderstand this concept and they are constantly seeking things outside of themselves. Once you accept your desires and imagination, feel them to be real and believe that you already have them. You won't have to manifest them actively. This is because you will know that you already possess them. You won't feel stressed about making mistakes with your manifesting techniques, such as not visualizing vividly enough or not affirming enough. This is because you have already claimed your desires in your imagination, and there is nothing left to do. Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the manifestation community, emphasizes the power of imagination. When a person identifies themselves with their imagination instead of their physical reality, they have discovered the core of reality. The physical reality may appear to be the complete opposite of what you imagine, but that doesn't change the fact that your imagination is the only true reality. Have you ever experienced a difficult situation, but you still had the faith that it would work out perfectly, and then it did? This is what I mean by this. Your faith carries more weight than your circumstances. Neville Goddard's teachings remind us to turn inward and find stillness in the face of any situation. He teaches that the external world is a reflection of our internal state, and everything we experience is a result of our own thoughts and beliefs. More specifically, our deep assumptions. People's behavior towards us is a reflection of our own inner dialogue. Therefore, we need to be mindful of our thoughts and beliefs to manifest what we truly desire. Goddard explains that we must not solely focus on what we want, but also believing that we already have it. By holding this belief that we already possess our desire, it will manifest in our reality. If we judge our current reality based on appearances, we will continue to be enslaved by our senses. Instead, we must focus on the power of our imagination and put into practice the teachings we learn, rather than just continually reading or talking about them. We have to be careful not to overconsume information and waste valuable time without applying this knowledge. This is what Neville Goddard calls merely being a hearer of the word and not being a doer of it. It is essential to take action and test the power of our imagination to see the results for ourselves. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful in your manifesting journey. Please be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded, so you can start accelerating your manifesting and have the life that you truly desire.